Well, good morning, beautiful people. We are in Strasbourg. Sorry if I, literally crashed yesterday. It was an intense day, full on travel. French croissant. They're fucking good. So the reason we're here is because of the European Youth event. Back in 2018, I won the I Am Europe contest. That was a contest organized by the European Parliament, and they actually invited me to be the judge for the European Youth event photo contest. One of the judges, of course, not the judge. And I was super happy to do it, and here we are. The European Youth event is basically this huge event where micro events happen and workshops and activities. All these activities and workshops are organized by young people, young Europeans. Yeah, they are open to everybody. I think this year you have to, book before going because COVID regulations and social distancing and everything like that. But what actually is happening is that you can choose whatever you like, and there are an array of activities that go from, for example, branding, social media, and how to market yourself better, which is something that I'm really interested and passionate about, and go to environmental themes like standing united against food waste or something about plastic use. Anyway, there's a lot of them, a ton of them. I'm gonna link the European Youth Event site in the description. You can check it out. I'm going to meet with the winners, and I want to interview them a little bit. I want to ask them about their photos, if they're professional photographers, if it's just a hobby, how passionate they are. I'm going to show you their pictures. There she is, the first one.
Hi there.
Diana.
Nice to meet you.
She's one of the winners. Are you a photographer?
Yes,
Hobby?
It's right, it's my passion. I like taking photos like I was 14. It was a really nice manifest for Europe. It was called All for Europe. It was right for the European elections. It was beautiful to see teenagers, children just singing and dancing for the EU elections. It was really nice. And it's one of I think my best pictures, but I love it the most.
She's another winner.
Hi.
All right. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Okay, so tell me a little bit about your photography.
Well, it's both hobby and a little bit of work. And I love photography since I was the one that won the contest. It's a drone photo. And it's taken in Romania, in my country, and I love it too. I thought it's it fits best with the title. The future is now for opportunities, and I'm glad I'm here with this photo.
Right, there you go, another winner. So, what's your name?
Oliver.
Oliver, nice to meet you, Oliver. Tell me a little bit about your photography.
Well, I'm more of a video maker actually, a filmmaker,
Nice.
studying film. And the last picture we did, the one that got us here, is a still from a documentary we did in a refugee camp in Moria in Greece. Yeah.
Here you go. What about you? So, what's your name?
Hi, I'm Constanze. I'm a videographer as well, from Salzburg, Austria. And yeah, we were at the same team about the refugee documentary in Moria. It was a special experience. I think it was really captivating.
Oh, is it filming?
Yeah, it's
Okay,
already
so
done.
hi, I'm Mariana from Lisbon, Portugal. I'm a photographer, but I do it like a hobby. I'm not a professional photographer, and I have a friend. She was at the parliament, and then she told me about the photo contest.
Look at all these people here. Come on, there's a lot of people, good atmosphere, energy. The vibes are nice, are good. I'm not seeing too many people at the moment, although at the entrance there was a shit ton of them. It's not as bad as I thought.
I literally don't know what we're supposed to do right now. Like, do you? Cool. At least I'm not alone. We got gadgets! Oh, she's so happy about the gadgets, aren't you?
This is the best part for me. I will bring one for each member of my family.
Oh, would you look at this? It's huge.
Oh, sorry. Dude, look at this blade. So cool. Do you want to come to promoting your brand?
It's now?
It actually started an hour ago. This social interaction is kind of overwhelming for me. There's like so many things to do, people around. It's like I'm feeling exhausted already. I have one more event to attend to on entrepreneurship. I cannot help but feel a little bit drained. Like my energy levels are really low right now. I kind of feel like going home or going back to the hotel. But I'm going to attend to this, then go reach out to the others and see what they're up to. But the weather is beautiful. Look at this, and I'm gonna enjoy the rest of the day.
Just tell me one.
This is such a fun experiment. So we had to choose product based on the appearance and based on the price and everything, as if we were in a supermarket. And now we did it again, but reading more information about the producer, about the company that makes it. The choice, it's different from the first time, right? So this was super interesting, actually. I wasn't expecting it to be about this, really, but it was. I thought it was about entrepreneurship generally. It was about how we choose our products when we go to the supermarket, based on what, and the quantity of information that we would need in order to make such a choice. But the quantity of information is too big, would be too big, so therefore it's not our
So it's not our job to actually go make that research, read all that stuff before choosing a product, because it wouldn't be feasible for the end user and buyer to do that. It would take literally too much time. On the products themselves should be some labels that certify that the producer, the company, is respecting all the laws, treating their employees the right way, and they're respecting environmental laws and rules and all that stuff, more or less like they do with electrodomestics. You know, on the fridge there's AAA or 4As or stuff like that. Therefore should be some regulations that make companies do that. Super interesting, and it made me think a lot about the way I shop when I go to the supermarket. Getting old.
If you will be the bee, and I promise I will always give you the sweetest parts of me. 'Cause you're the tip to my top, the key to my lock, you're my breakfast in the morning, you're my up to my down and the king of my crown, and you're everything I want. You got that sweet, sweet, sweet honey, and I want it sweet, sweet, sweet honey. You got that sweet, sweet, sweet honey, and I want it sweet, sweet, sweet honey. So give it to me.